Hi everyone, welcome back to our new session of the UiPath. So here we'll show you creating custom project template. So first of all, what is creating a template or what is custom project template? So whenever you launch your UiPath application or UiPath tool and go to the home page, you can see here different templates are available. So if you want to add your template according to your requirement, as you can see here, test new template is additional available in my template tab. So if you want to add these template and want to use it for the further or future perspective, you can do that. So I will show you how to add the template and the advantage or the uses of these templates. Just like you can see here, different options are available like a robotic enterprise framework and orchestration process. So these are already customized and provided by UiPath. If you want to use your customized template according to your requirement, and these templates are used to avoid maximum steps which is used at the time of projects creation. Just like if you want to create a workflow on testing of Amazon website, so adding URL, and these all steps will be adding URL and opening the browser, then adding URL, then going to the browser page, then taking screenshots. These all are always used for the automation project of the web based automation. So if you want to avoid this step in every project, then you can use this because by adding template here. So I've already created one process. In that process, then nothing is available. Whatever activity I have created or added, customized activity, or you can see that the library which is added in my activity panel, I am dragging and dropping these activity. So if you want to have a look on how to create library or adding that library in your activity panel, you can watch my previous session so that you will get to know how to create the library and adding the customized library in your activity panel. So I drag and drop this activity here. I'm not doing this because of that it's customized activity. It will open the Excel file, copy the Excel data from one Excel to the other Excel and save that Excel in our location. That their job is done. So this is customized library I have created and shown you in my previous session. Please watch that first and then we will come back here. Now we have added activity according to our requirement, or you can see that we have added template data or customized template contained here to avoid the several steps in, or you can use that several step or reusable component. You can see that in our further projects. Just save as a template, add the name of your template. I'm adding here the name as a Excel copy. Description, whatever you want to provide that description for copying the data from one Excel to other. Then your project name is same. Description, if you want to add this template is used for copying your one Excel data to other Excel. Just click on create. Now once pop-up will appear, just have to go to the home page Now you can see our other template is available. So by this, once you will click on this and create on the blank process 51, so it will jump and to our workspace. Let's wait for loading our workspace. Go to file, now you can see whatever activity I have added here, it's automatically available for me with a different process name. Again, if you want to remove your template which you have already created, you can also do that by just clicking on your remove item. So it will pop up you for delete. If you want to delete that template, yes, I want to delete that. Now your template is deleted, but your process is still there, whatever you have opened, so you can use this. So this is all about how to create a customized project template according to your requirement. If you want to add any other template regarding your requirements, then you can add it in your template contained. Hope you understand it. If you have any queries or comment, please comment in the comment section so that I will check and reward with the resolution. And don't forget to like and subscribe the channel for the latest update. Thank you.